like to introduce you to our product called Stomach Restore. This product is very special to me because as a lifelong sufferer of acid issues because of my kidney transplant, I've used all these ingredients individually that have helped me, supported my stomach health naturally, and now in one formula just for you guys, everybody out there. So if you're dealing with any type of stomach issues and you want to support normal stomach acid levels, normal stomach function, stomach health, normal digestive comfort, reflux relief, this is a product you want to try. So first, we have a perfect natural clean sodium bicarbonate to quickly support normal acid relief, to neutralize that acid, give you quick relief. And then we have other ingredients to support normal stomach lining, to support normal stomach function, long-term stomach health. So we have DGL licorice in a really big dose to not just give you the quick relief, but to give you that long-term support, that long-term restoration. We have apple cider vinegar, turmeric, fennel, slippery elm, marshmallow to support normal inflammation. So take a look at our product, Stomach Restore, available on Amazon. Comes with 60 days of email support along with our guarantee.